Hello everyone. As we are coming means if you are coming from my s- starting video to right till then it's good. And if you are directly seeing this video, then I will request you to come with one by one each video so that you can understand Python, all the parameters, all the things. And here we are just going to understand how a simple calculator we can write a program in Python. So in Python, writing a calculator program is very simple. We are using if else, we are using choose, and we are using input parameters, and we are using some function as well by which we can perform the action. So let me explain if you are coming in this video directly. So let me explain you few things. Here, what we are going to do, we are taking the input from the user. This is the way we write the input. Input function take the input from the user and store in one variable in which we assign. Like here, A is the variable which we assign and store the data in A. Another variable is B in which we are whatever we will assign in this one, that input variable is stored in B. Then we are writing a print A, B, C, D, and we will ask a question to user again, that is choose your operation. One for add, two for subtract, three for multiple, and four for divide, which were only here showing. But here choose function we are using. If user input is 1, then we are showing print, and we whatever the variable value of the A and B we earlier give as a input, it will add and show us the sum. If we choose 2, then in choose, if and else condition you can see, it will go in this block and it will subtract. If choose value is 3, then it will come in this block and it will multiply two parameters. And if choose value is 4, then it will divide A and B parameter. And apart from 1, 2, 3, 4, if anything, then it is the invalid choice. So it's the very simple 20 line program in Python. Now I think we can ready to run that program as we understand everything. So let me clear the screen of the terminal. So let's run the program and get the input from the user. First number. So I'm giving first number is 7. Okay. Enter the second number. I am entering second number as 9. Now it's asking here what it's not asking. It's simple. It's printing A for add, B for subtract, T 3 for multiple, 4 for divide. It's showing you, but it's not ask, asking you. It's only to inform you. Whatever you will enter in your choose, it will go in the choice one. Choice operation we already using here, right? So if we choice one, then it will go this block. If choice is two, then it will go this block. If choice three is go this block. If choice four. So let me choose four. Uh, Four means it will divide 7 to 9, right? So what will value? It's 7 divided by 9. Let me use the calculator. Yep. 7, 7, 7, 7, 8. Fine. So this is the something. Again, I am running that program. Let me clear first. Now we'll choose add option. Enter one variable. One is 7, 6. Another is 7, and choose. Uh, choose one. So 6 and 7, 13, I think. Yep, 13. So this is the way a calculator function works. So why I am showing you? Only because of how if else work, how choice work, how we get the input from the user. These are the things we can understand in basic calculator. After few times, I will come with lots of calculation and I will come with lots of functioning and I will come with lots of programming things. But right now, it is enough to understand, as you know, that this is our 10th class of the programming. So for now, it's enough to understand, and for now, it is easy to understand, and it will maintain your mindset because you are not only learning the program as well as most of the people are doing his job, doing someone is his own study. So this is not the first priority of the people. People are learning, people are his working his own office or maybe his employee. So this is the simple way, step by step, he can learn and he can go in AI area. So to go inside the AI area, Python is very important. It's a primary need that you should understand the Python language and you need to write a programming in Python. So for this, this is a very simple program of the calculator. If you understand, then it's okay. And if you don't understand, if you have any query, then please try to send me a message, give me comment. I will explain you all these things. Thank you.